Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is Rakesh Khanna from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on silver. COMEX silver price was moving in sideways range and given a downward trend line breakdown indicate short-term trend is bearish. However, silver price is hovering near to its key support at $28.95 level and break below will drag the price further down till $28.50 and $28 in near term. On the way up, key resistance hold at $29.75 level. MCX silver price that form a doji candlestick pattern indicate short-term trend is bearish. However, key support hold at 85,000 level and break below can drag the price further down till 84,250 and 83,500 level in near term. On the way up, key resistance hold at 86,000 level and break above will act as a trend reversal. The price indicator is bearish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.